Hey Carlisle, this is Latitude 35 Crew. We're 8 days from the start of the race, and today we wanted to talk to you about safety. The biggest way to be safe while crossing an ocean is to be prepared. And so the team and I have put together some of the things that we use for safety and how we're prepared to use them going forward.
So first thing we've done, we've registered the boat with all the emergency devices we've got. So we've got something called AIS, which is Automated Identification System. That tells other boats around us where we are, and we can see where they are, and if we're on a collision course. So mid-Atlantic, we know where other boats are, so we're not going to hit them in any way.
One of the key things we'll be doing when we're rowing at all times is being attached to the boat. As you see here, this is a 3-point harness. This harness around our waist. We have a line down here, which we'll clip onto at all times with two. If we want to move around the boat and move around someone, we've always got one point of contact on the boat. We'll be wearing these at all times when rowing, when it's light, heavy, or any weather conditions, just to make sure if the boat is set to capsize and we're thrown out the boat, we're attached to it and we don't go missing at sea.
These are our life jackets. We hope to never use these, but if we do, we want to know that they 100% will work without fail. So we've had to test the beacons, the batteries on the beacons. We have to test the CO2 canister that deploys this thing, and we have to attach a PLB, a personal locator beacon, tethered to each life jacket that's associated with each one of our names. So if this thing gets deployed, it sends an emergency signal to a GPS system that sends our coordinates to emergency responders.
Alright, we're here in La Gomera, which is the start line of the Talisker Whisky Atlantic Challenge. This is day 2 for us, and we're in the middle of the scrutineering process, which allows us to get onto the water. Matt, you want to talk to us about what that's all about?
So scrutineering basically means it's your check off that you've been certified that you meet all of the regulations for your equipment, your supplies, the amount of everything works properly, your life jackets blow up, they stay inflated, batteries are charged on your satellite phones, things like that.
So you've got different bits of equipment here, some of it are safety items. So here we've got a grab bag, so if anything were to go wrong, this is what we take with us into our life raft, and we've got everything that we need to survive 3 to 4 days at sea. So we've got our flares, some chocolates, some water, thermal protective aids, and everything that will keep us alive.
Other bits of equipment you'll see here, again what Angus reinforced, you've got your immersion suits, you've got your telephone so we can ring our weather router, our family, our friends. Other bits of kit include oars, obviously. That would be our life raft if anything was to go wrong in here. These here are jet boils. This is what we're using to boil water and eat our food, which is all over there. 1,000 packets of food, about 1.2 million calories on board. We've got our harnesses. We'll always be attached to the boat, being safe. 3 points of attachment, very important.
Yeah, and all this stuff in the next couple of days will be on the boat, placed strategically to balance the weight out, and so we know where to find it when we need it. See you tomorrow.